A 40-foot sailing vessel, the vessel in question, named Hope, was stranded on the rocks in the heavy fog when the crew launched out to render assistance. Once on scene, the air crew attempted 3 different approaches to the water, conducting a coupled approach to a hover each time in an attempt to gain visual contact with the vessel. During the first 2 approaches, the crew was unsuccessful in locating the sailing vessel and executed a climb out back to the west, headed for the safety of the open ocean. Unbeknownst to the crew, with each climb out, they were narrowly missing the cliffs alongside the cove. On their 3rd approach, after once again being unable to visually locate the sailboat due to the heavy fog, the crew conducted their missed approach with a turn to the west and impacted the cliffs on the mountain-laden crescent-shaped cove at approximately 04:53 a.m.
On these hallowed waves, 20 years ago today, 4 men gave their lives while responding to what they knew to be a most noble cause: to give those in peril upon the sea a second chance at life. Lawrence, Mark, Peter, and Michael, you were each called husband, father, son, friend, and brother, officer, chief, or petty officer, but you all proudly wore the title of Coastie, and as great Coasties, you were always ready. On behalf of the numerous lives you have saved, and the thousands who share the mourning of your loss today, we offer a humble wreath to our humble shipmates. Farewell and following seas. Sleep soundly, brave Coasties, and fear not, for we will continue to stand the watch as you have taught us with honor, respect, and devotion to duty.
Sector Humboldt Bay. If these crew members were here today, they'd be some of our closest friends. Like you, they conducted training flights, attended wet drills, and sat through safety stand-downs. They attended 4th of July parties and housing, sat together in the galley, worked on marks and OERs. This air crew was just like you and I. We're merely separated by time and circumstances. Their mishap has taught us to evaluate risk and gain with a deeper understanding of our limitations as an organization and our vulnerability as a crew. In reflection, the American people and the United States Coast Guard are forever indebted to these crew members and their families.